See this? This is my old video background. I don't really like it anymore, so let's make a new one using AI. AI is pretty awesome. It lets you do things completely outside your normal skill set. Take me. For starters, I'm horrible at anything relating to art or drawing. I'd say that I'm pretty decent at basic graphic or UI design, but give me a pencil and I'll end up drawing something like this. That's where AI comes into play. You can just make it do shit for you. I mean, take a look at this. There's no way in hell I'd be able to make this, let alone even attempt to make anything that vaguely resembles this. And that's not all. AI can even help you write video scripts. It's actually incredible. I promise I'm not sponsored. Okay, see my paper background that I stole somewhere off YouTube? It looks nice, right? But I don't know, it's kind of basic. It reminds me of someone, but I just can't think off the top of my head who that might be. And I don't love how every time you highlight the video, it looks basically the same. It's very generic to say the least. For a while, I had the idea to create a unique background for my channel. I wanted to design it myself, but as you all saw, I'm not very good at drawing or designing things. That's when I ended up with this. But just how exactly did I get here? The first step involved heading over to OpenAI. I knew that recently their AI art generation became open to the public, so I went there first. I signed in with my Google account and was presented with a prompt for generation. Cool thing with OpenAI is that you can be super specific in what you want created, so I knew it would perfectly tailor my needs for this specific project. Basically, for a while, I wanted to have a background similar to this. But at first, I wasn't even sure what the name for this design was. I did some quick research and discovered it's basically a topographic design. My first idea was to enter navy base with white topographic outline digital art. That ended up giving me this. Well, I wasn't exactly expecting a literal navy base, but I guess the AI didn't know any better. Let me try to narrow down the prompt. Navy canvas with topographic design, digital art. Okay, that's way better. Now it actually kind of resembles what I'm going for. Let's try reiterating it. Nope, it ended up shifting it to a wave pattern, so scratch that. Maybe I'll just try something completely different, like emphasizing the design more than the canvas. Cyan topographic design with navy background digital art. Now we're getting somewhere. This is actually really good. The only real issue is how the generated design isn't exactly what I'm looking for, but I think I'll add contour as a keyword since I'm looking for more lines. Wow, so this is pretty much spot on. Now I just need to adjust the colors and reiterate until I find exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, this is the one. This is it. Actually, looking back on this, I should have probably went with this one, but whatever. It is what it is. I really like this design, so I used the feature with DALL-E where you can fill in the canvas. So I continued doing that until I had my full 2800 by 2800 image. I forgot to mention the best part of DALL-E. Everything you generate is completely copyright and royalty free. So I'm free to use this in my video. It's actually super creator friendly. But we aren't finished yet. Now we gotta make the background. We got the design, but we need the video element of the background, the moving stuff. Luckily, that wasn't too hard. First, I used Photoshop to make the colors consistent throughout the whole piece. Then, I uploaded the image to remove.bg and selected just the line work. I pasted that into Premiere Pro where I gave it a wave warp effect. After a few hours of rendering, I got the video. I'm honestly really happy with how this turned out, and I'll probably make different ones with different colors to spice up each video. I could probably even make gradients. Anyways, that does it for this quick video. Thank you for watching. I'm hoping that with this video, I'll hopefully be able to get back into the swing of things. Only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed, so if you haven't already, consider subscribing and liking the video if you enjoyed it. It means a lot to me and helps me out tremendously. It's been Froguish. See you guys later.